Planning a move across international borders. Cross-border movers handle complex logistics, customs, and transport so your relocation goes smoothly. Today we break down what to expect and how to prepare. Cross-border movers specialize in relocating households and belongings between countries. They manage packing, transport, customs clearance, documentation, and coordination so you don't have to handle every detail on your own. Not all moving companies are experienced in cross-border relocation. Pick a mover with international expertise, strong logistic support, and comprehensive services for customs and delivery. Packing for a cross-border move requires extra care. Use sturdy materials, custom crates for fragile items, and label everything clearly. Proper packing minimizes damage during long transit and handling. Every country has its own customs rules. Accurate documentation like inventory lists, item descriptions, and declarations are crucial for customs clearance and avoiding delays or additional fees. Organized documents help ensure quick processing at borders. Cross-border moves typically use air freight or sea freight. Air freight is faster for essential items but costs more. Sea freight is more affordable for larger shipments but takes longer. Timing and storage can be key. If your new home isn't ready when your shipment arrives, secure storage helps keep your belongings safe until you're settled. Proper timing and storage planning prevents move-in stress. Use this checklist to stay organized and avoid costly delays on your international move. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand cross-border movers and your international relocation, hit like and subscribe for more moving insights. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below.